Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a calendar using canva.com. So let's get started. So whether you need a calendar for your company or firm, so I will help you out. So first of all, open canva.com, or you can use your search it among Google. After opening the official website of Canva, just log in with the free account. Use your Gmail account for logging in. Now go to this option, create design. Then in the search box type calendar. Select the calendar. The best thing about Canva is it offers hundreds free templates, so you can use it up. For example, I will show you. You can see the different type of templates for year 2025. So select the calendar month. You can change it month font by going to this option, and you can change the font. You can change the color as well as by selecting the text and go to the A option, and you can change the text as well as text color. If you want to maximize and minimize the size, just go to this option. You can maximize and minimize according to your need. Now do for this every month. Go to design option again and select the month and do the changes. After doing all the modifiers, just go to share option and go to download and select the format, whether you want a PDF format or any other document format. Click on download and your calendar will be downloaded. So guys, this was an easy tutorial. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next one.